This message is for Brooke. This is Amber, obviously. I wanted to film a video reply to your question that you posted in the group. I'm going to go ahead and share it in the forum for all the other artists to see and learn from. It's something that comes up a decent amount, and I feel like a lot of artists, we don't know how to handle it unless we come across it a few times and then we kind of learn. So Brooke's question was asked in our private Facebook training page. So that page is for artists who have taken a Brown v microblading course. And I thought that would be really useful to share my answer over video, which I need to do here since I can't do that on Facebook. And again, I just want to give an answer to her on the forum so everybody can learn. And so basically what I'm going to do is explain kind of what has happened and what's likely happened in your case, Brooke. So she basically had a client who looked really similar to this lady. This beautiful girl is my client. And this is what my client looked like before. And this is what she looks like right after one session. And if you're familiar with the Tina Davies line, this, blonde is the lightest color, ash brown is next, and then medium brown is next. It's called a medium brown. I feel like it's relatively true color, but it should be darker. It's definitely not a light brown in my opinion. Not super light anyway. So for me, this is a light result for what I expected. And Brooke's question was basically, hey, this is my third model. I just did her. I think she also used medium brown. And she said, no, these are really, really light. Did I not go deep enough? Is the color not dark enough? What do I do? And I think she said she also ended up doing a pigment soak at the end to see if she could deepen the color with the Tina Davies dark brown, which is a great idea if you guys are ever in that situation. But what I wanted to point out is that it's totally normal sometimes to get results that you are not expecting. So we can use the same color on 10 people and then the 11th person will come in and it looks really different on them. So like I said, in this result, that to me looks more like a blonde or ash brown colored result, but it wasn't. It was medium brown. And you can see in the picture, she's pretty blonde. So she's got like this really ash, like dirty blonde root into a lighter blonde bottom. So to see that in her skin was surprising to me, especially because she has beautiful, healthy skin, and I figured it would be like normal. I guess so the point of my message is it's not always about depth or issues with skin. So this is a person who has beautiful skin, and the depth is what I would normally do on most clients. So technically speaking, this is what I would like to do on every client. So for you, Brooke, you probably did everything right. Looking at your picture, they look really similar to this. It's just that that color for that particular person's skin was a little bit light. So what you did was perfect. You did a pigment soak at the end. And then next time when she comes back, I would recommend, you can see how they heal because sometimes they actually really do heal darker over time. But you can see at the touch up, if they're really not dark enough, you could just jump in and maybe mix dark brown and medium brown together if her skin tone looks like it can take it. So hopefully this was helpful to you. If not, go ahead and respond with your question and I will answer either by text reply or another video. Alrighty,